Hi guys, how we doing? Please excuse the mess. I've been kind of busy, and the voice because I'm not using a microphone. This is just I'm in my garage with the phone. Well, basically, I thought we'd nip on and show you the finished product. I don't know if you can actually see the scale. This is about the same height as me, and I'm 5'6", I think. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. Okay, the whole lid lifts up, and then that bit of wood slides out for here. So I need to figure a way of fixing that. And inside I've got these shelves, which are removable. So the whole thing becomes, the whole space becomes available. And the doors, basically just, again, another shelf. And it's all covered with polycarbonate sheeting. And the other door's the same. I've got bits here. I've got bits here for another shelf. I've run out of wood. I need to get some more wood. I think it's basically roughly. See if I can do this one-handed. Oh dear. Okay, it is 62 inches long, which is just over 5 feet, and approximately 2 feet wide. And I'm hoping with my measurements that it'll fit in between the two fence posts and the fence, and then I can run screws through these bits of wood into the fence post, which will help hold it down. The only thing that I've left to do is to shut this lid, figure out a way of locking this down. I need to figure that out. And I'm thinking of putting plastic feet in the bottom to raise it up a wee bit, so that it doesn't sit in the rain constantly. Anyway, I'll get this worked out and then I'll get tidied up. My only problem, I think, is I'll not get that out through that door. So I'm going to have to attempt to open the garage door, which basically I'm not looking forward to, because I don't think it's attached to anything. I should have thought of that before I'd done it. Anyway, that's it done. Can't wait to get it out. My daughter comes on the weekend and she'll help me move it out, because there's no way I'll be able to do it myself. And we'll get the old green one away and get this new one in, and we'll see how it goes. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye now. Okay, a wee bit of addition that I've added is these plastic connector blocks. Remember, these used to get them years ago. They're good there to lift it up from the ground, so that the wood will not rot as quick. It's all had 4 coats of decking oil, so I mean it should last a couple of years at least. Okay, and one other thing, I figured out a way of locking the door. Basically, screw that. There's one on each side, and then that just lifts up. So that locks it down. I'll keep these on just in case in the winter strong winds I need to add reinforcement, but I don't think I will. I just used to only red. Anyway, that's it. Totally finished, totally done. Ready to get put into practice and start earning its keep. Okay, Thanks for watching again. Bye bye.